What's up, fam? Today I am going to be doing the lift kit on the Bear Tracker. It's a very simple lift kit from High Lifter. It's a 2-inch lift kit, and it's pretty simple or whatever. I already took the front plastics off just to get better angles and everything. And all you have to do, from what the instructions say, is you got to take the C-clip off of the strut, which I already done, and then after that you take this nut off to get this out, and that's where you put the hardware that comes with the kit on for the fronts. And on the backs, you take this little thing out right here, and then you put the hardware on for that, and it gives it a 2-inch lift, and it's gonna be pretty nice or whatever. It's good to have the four-wheeler sitting a little higher. I just bought some bigger tires, so it's gonna work out good. And like I said, the kit is pretty simple. Comes with 2 fronts that lifts it. This is a brace for the back, and it also comes with these 2 little braces for the back, and some hardware. You know, not much to the kit, but would you believe this little bitty kit right here costs 150 bucks? Crazy. But it is what it is, and we're gonna hook it up today, so let's get into it. Alright, so after you put these on and tighten up the nut, you put on the C-clip, and after you put on the C-clip, you are done with the front. On to the back. Alright, the bear tracker is officially done. It has a 2-inch lift now. Definitely sits a lot higher. The install wasn't too bad. Put one on this side, the other one on that side, gives it 2 inches, and then it goes to the back. Back shock, this one and this one, and they're supposed to have a plate that goes from here all the way to your rear differential, but it didn't want to fit, so I decided I was just gonna tighten this down with some Loctite and see if I can get away with that. It worked, didn't move. Took it for a test drive. So other than that, like I said, it definitely sits a lot higher. And these are the old tires. I got a little bit bigger tires. These 24s in the back, 24 by 11, and then the fronts are 23s by 7. Definitely a bigger tire, and they're not bad tires. They're Wandas, so but it came together pretty good. Definitely sits higher. So, hope you enjoyed the video. The main reason I did a video is because I do not see a lot of lift kit videos on these older model bear trackers. So, decided just to do one to get a video out there on how to do it and everything. So hope you enjoyed it, and would definitely recommend the 2-inch lift kit from High Lifter. And as you've seen before, the LED light bar, pretty damn bright. Yeah. Like and subscribe.